How to use MyChart app on mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your Play Store or App Store and search for MyChart. Then just simply open up the very first one, and this is the app that we are going to talk about. After that, install it, and after installing, this will be on your phone. Now either you can create your account on it, or if you already have an account, simply log into this particular account using your username and password. After that, you can explore different features on it, like there is a calculator for calculating the estimates of your procedures or medical procedures, to be precise, and you can just simply get an estimate of a particular procedure that you are looking forward to. You can also check out the menu over here where you can fix your schedules and you can talk to a doctor. You can also see your care team on this particular app. You can find the care. You can also ask different questions related to your particular problem. You can also get the clinic calls. So there's a lot to do on this particular app that you can utilize to the fullest. And also, if you are looking to refill your medication, then this app might be handy for you. You can also ask medical questions. You can also go with the billing and insurance questions related to your health and medicines. You can also explore different sections where you can see the current allergies that a particular person has, and also the allergies that were reported in any particular report. You can also keep track of the immunizations and other health issues on this particular app itself. And also you can link other different medical emergencies or other medical accounts on some other platform to this particular application, and this way you can keep track of all your medical history on one particular app. And this is how you are going to use this particular app. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.